Hello everybody. I want to show you today how to make a connection with your server and create a database and tables. So if you click the SQL Server Management Studio, you can make a connection through management. So if you don't remember the server name, just put the dot or period and make the connection here. So you can get display all the database name. So you have to create a new database. Just right click here, a new database. So here you have to put the name of your database, my database. Everything here like that and add button. So you're going to create a new database in the system data. I have already created my database. I want to show you. Expand it. Look, I have already created my database here. Now in this database, you have to create your tables. This is the database, and in database, you have to create a table. So here is the tables, and you have to right click in the table, new table. Okay, in table name, you have to create the column name, data type, and the option. So I have to create my login table. So I want to create through the ID, first column, and data type. If your ID has numeric and alpha, so you have to go n characters, or if you have more than that, the n characters, or because ID, if you want to create only the numeric, so you have to go and click integer. Allow nulls, no, you have to put the information here. Here in this column name, come down and share identity specification. Click here. Is identity? Yes. What does means identity? This ID will be increased by one. So you don't have to put the manually information for this column. So it will be generated itself through the system. Now, the second column is your login name, and what is your data type? Your data type, okay, and var character. So you don't need 20 space or 50, just put the 20, allow nulls. No, you have to get the information to the user. The second one, login password. In password, you have to put also the numeric and alpha character. So usually you have to give the 10 or 8 characters. Just we put the 10 characters. The password should not be more than 8 or 10 character. So for the company. Now, these you have created 3 columns: ID, login name, and login password. This is called one row. Now, close it and save it. Yes. You have to give in the name of the table. I have already given the name, so I don't want to save it. I just wanted to show actually how do you create the table in the database. Here is a table. I have already expanded or then okay, there is my login. Expand the columns, login ID, login name, and login password. So these column you have created. There is a two way. You can, or just in the new query, just put the create table my login, and then put the what do you call login name, login ID, sorry, login ID. There is a two way, but the direct way I have shown you before, so it will be easier for you because you can define the data type easily. So you have created your database and your tables. So how do you update your table through the programs? So I will show you actually how to create a project through we can update, modify, or delete any information from my login table. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.